today we will be testing the True Adaptive Lookback Phase Change Index.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
As I said, today we will be testing the True Adaptive Lookback Phase Change Index. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 53 different strategies, with 15 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 743 indicators, with 296 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And we have also retested 6 indicators in the advanced testing stage at this point. 3 of them were able to maintain the winning status, with the best one at a 64% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the True Adaptive Lookback Phase Change Index. Quite the name. This creator generally does some pretty complex names on their indicators, but creates a lot of really good indicators, a lot of really cool stuff. And so again, check out the creator. The link to the indicator is down below in the description. Really great producer of indicators. Anyways, back to the indicator here at hand. And so this creator often does the bar coloration with the indicator itself, and so the indicator itself is down below here on screen, and it consists of this oscillating line here. We have different kind of zones or lines marked out here, and the indicator itself actually gives us these little S and L tags here with little triangles or arrows kind of pointing in different directions, and that is when the indicator itself is actually giving the signal. The S is for a short and the L is for a long, and that coincides with the bar coloration that is taking place above here. And so another really cool thing that this indicator or this creator does with the indicators, like I said, is the bar coloration. It makes it really easy to see when we are getting long and short signals. So when we get the green coloration in the bars, we are going to go long. When we get the red coloration in the bars, we are going to go short. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, just a little rapid fire there. So we pick up the first signal right here is going to be a short signal. We get that red bar coloration there with the S down here. And we almost immediately start to get a push to the upside there. And as it does, it comes up just far enough to hit our stop. And so that one does stop us out there. We then start to push down here, and as we do, we actually pick up a long signal here for just one bar. On the next one, we flip immediately back to a short, and then immediately back to a long on the very next bar. And so those two would have been stopped out there as we flip-flop back and forth, and then pick up this long right here. Get a little bit of consolidation for a couple of days, then a nice little spike to the upside there, which does get us to our take profit on that one. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so then we pick up a short right here on this one here. We pretty much immediately spike to the upside there, which does come up and stop us out. We then pick up a long right here, start to push down right here. We stay within our stop, so we don't quite get stopped out. Before we get a little push to the upside, that's enough right there to get us to our take profit. We then pick up a short right here and immediately start to push to the upside, getting us stopped out as we flip to a long here. And that long pushes up, not enough to hit our take profit before it then rolls over and starts to push its way down. And so that one also gets us stopped out there. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, before we take a look at what this indicator was able to achieve here, let's jump over here and give a shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. This is our Patreon only channel where we post some really great advanced information for everyone to see. This Sasquatch, he is an amazing Forex prop trader posting regular market analysis of the Forex market. Our admin Jay is posting regular futures analysis of the futures market and different trades that he's taking there. Myself, I am day trading the S&P 500 and doing that with basic options, trying to grow a small account to see testing a strategy that I developed a little while back. And just in general, there are a lot of great people in here giving really good advice, helping people out, answering questions. You can also, if you are a patron of the channel, you can reach out to me or our admin Jay. And if you want a little bit of a time for a one-on-one session, we'd be happy to discuss things with you one-on-one, help answer questions, or advance whatever trading knowledge you feel like you need help with. So a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron. It doesn't cost hardly anything at all. All right, back to our indicator here. So let's go ahead and get everything in focus here. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and count it out and see what we get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So we have 19 trades, 19 signals altogether. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 winning trades. And so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. Just on a general analysis of this indicator, it did really well when markets was moving in decent direction with decent momentum. is when we hit consolidation that it just kind of was getting whipsawed back and forth, taking quite a few losing signals back to back. And that really did just kind of diminish the win rate of the indicator, unfortunately. So this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.